In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure Outlook for Gmail step by step so you can add your Gmail account to Outlook quickly and start managing all your email in one place. This is super helpful if you want a cleaner workflow, better inbox organization, or just prefer using Outlook on your PC instead of switching back and forth between apps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we need to make sure Gmail is set up correctly for Outlook access. Open your browser and go to Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, look up in the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From there, choose See All Settings. This will open the full settings menu for your Gmail account. Now, across the top of the settings page, click the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. This is where Gmail lets you control how other email apps connect to your account. Scroll down until you find the IMAP access section. IMAP is important because it allows Outlook to sync your Gmail messages properly so your emails stay updated across devices. Under IMAP access, select Enable IMAP. Once that option is turned on, go ahead and click Save Changes. This step is essential because without IMAP enabled, Outlook may not be able to connect to your Gmail account correctly. Now that Gmail is ready, let's add it to Outlook. Open Outlook on your PC. In the top left corner, click File. Then choose Add Account. A setup window will appear asking for your email address. Enter your Gmail address and click Connect. Next, Outlook will prompt you for your Gmail password. Enter your password carefully and click Connect again. Depending on your account security settings, Google may ask you to verify your sign-in or confirm the login through your phone or browser. If that happens, just complete the verification steps so Outlook can finish the connection. After that, wait while Outlook configures your Gmail account. This may take a few moments as it syncs your mail, folders, and account settings. Once the setup is complete, click Done. Your Gmail account should now be added to Outlook successfully. At this point, you can go back to your Outlook inbox and start sending, receiving, and organizing Gmail messages directly inside Outlook. If everything was set up correctly, your emails should begin syncing automatically, which makes it much easier to stay on top of your inbox. And that's how you configure Outlook for Gmail. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.